You can control your thoughts, they say. They're right, of course. I've seen what my mind can do when I decide to manifest even the most impossible dream. It is like magic. Sometimes, though, even walking for days out here alone in these mountains, my greatest gift of imagination can work against me. I should be clearing my head out here. It's probably what you're expecting me to say, and yet, honestly, I still have doubts about work and love and life circling like vultures in my head. And at the same time, I have found a rhythm and respect for my body as it carries me step after step, a tacit acceptance that this is the final part of my journey and we're not quitting now.
Do you have a sleeping bag in your...
No.
No, okay.
I've only got room for drones and cameras.
Yeah. This is true. I cut back on my camera equipment so I can put more warm clothing. Because now it's getting very cold.
I know. I'm wearing this jacket today.
Is that all you have?
No, I've got another jumper in and I've got a beanie and everything, but this is John.
Hello.
So basically, I've just met John and he's slightly worried that I may not make my trip tonight.
You're probably going to be walking in the dark, but you seem to like that, so good luck.
I don't like that at all.
But there's lots of beautiful views, so enjoy that. There are no taxis up there. Maybe a helicopter.
No, he's very kind because he's actually just pointing out on the map where I can go on the mountain to get coverage so that I can call someone.
What's your documentary about?
Oh, just like the whole experience.
Going rogue on the Dolomites. In off season when it's better when there's no one around.
John has very kindly given me his number, basically if I get into trouble, which is very nice because the chances of me getting into trouble
You'll be fine.
are pretty high. So I'll see you later.
You haven't got a map, right?
Yeah, I have. Yeah,
okay, cool.
Yeah,
okay.
Thanks.
I had only just left my rifugio and started climbing for the day when I came across a boy named Matteo. He said he was heading in the opposite direction, but decided to accompany me until the lake just for a little chat.
Perché torni qua anno dopo anno?
Perché c'ho il cuore qui.
Ah sì. Posso chiedere, ma quando stai camminando, a che cosa pensi?
Penso a cosa fare nella vita, no? Lascio andare a caso, ogni tanto non penso a niente, mi faccio ispirare un po' da quello che vedo o lascio scorrere in automatico.
Sì.
Dove va.
Ma non hai mai paura di perderti,
di stare viaggiando troppo a caso ogni tanto.
Perché?
Però più viaggio più mi passa quella paura.
Sì.
Perché alla fine il viaggio, anche se non ha una meta, non è a caso. Magari viaggi a caso fuori, però dentro stai viaggiando sempre con un obiettivo.
Sì.
Magari capisci dopo.
Ma i tuoi amici che dicono? Cioè loro sono come te o non ti capiscono?
Ne ho 3-4 con cui proprio mi confido di queste cose.
Gli altri amici che lavorano in ufficio, fanno una vita normale, diciamo.
Sentono.
Ah no. Però saranno invidiosi della vita che fai tu, no?
Sembra di no, perché alla fine loro hanno amici, hanno, non so, relazioni così, e quindi secondo me ogni tanto anche a me viene da invidiare un po' loro.
No, ma guarda, tu sei bravissimo. Io ho amici a Roma che non ho mai fatto una vacanza, un giro, un trek. Sì, esatto, perché hanno paura. Vengono a Cortina però solo a far festa, no? A bere. Io nella vita vorrei...
In più?
Sì, qualcosa in più. Anche a me piace divertirmi, andare in discoteca, ballare, però poi ho anche bisogno di un'esperienza un pochino più profonda, no? A me piace stare con amici, però ho anche bisogno di tempo proprio da sola, no? Per ricaricare, non so se mi spiego bene. mi capisci? Sì.
Ti capisco talmente tanto che mi spaventi. Te magari sei nel giusto equilibrio. Per adesso è stata troppo estrema come posizione.
Sì.
Ho la paura di stare con la gente, di essere giudicato.
Who among us isn't afraid of being judged by people in some context or another? I think the only difference is that Matteo is self-aware and honest enough to actually admit it out loud.
E qual è il tuo sogno allora? Cioè tu hai 33 anni.
Accompagnarti nel tuo viaggio.
Ho più paura di trovarmi in una vita normale, una vita noiosa, una vita che non mi spaventa un pochino, no? Perché quando siamo spaventati, secondo me, possiamo imparare, no? Possiamo crescere.
Sì,
che pensi?
C'era sempre una paura nuova, però più ne superi, più diminuiscono. Quindi...
Sì. Pazzesco. Guarda, io sono molto contenta di averti conosciuto.
Io di più.
Ciao Matteo. Wow.
Sei stupenda.
Ciao. In bocca al lupo. Ci vediamo un giorno in montagna. Sì. You know, he thinks that he lacks the strength or the ability to lead a life that most people are leading. But I think that's just his humility. I think he's more courageous than most people. You know, I asked him if he was on Instagram, and he said, you know, I'm not on any social media. And for a guy who's 33, you know, that is rare. But I found it so admirable. He said, yeah, I thought about getting on Instagram, but he said, I feel like all the pictures are the same, all the comments are the same. It's just, he said, I feel like you just get caught up in behaving like sheep. And he's so right. And of course, you know, I'm obviously on social media for my job, but also for the, I don't know, I'm a part of that. I'm a part of the masses. I'm a part of that group that is caught up with that. And of course I can manage to come away from something like this, and I don't, you know, I love it. I love detaching. And I grew up on a boat where we didn't even have television or anything. But still, I'm very much a part of that whole world. And he is unique in that he doesn't need it. He doesn't need it. Anyway, I should keep walking. I wish I didn't have this pressure of feeling like I have to arrive at this refugio before dark. It's a false sense of security that I have now because I, you know, it seems so sunny and it's so beautiful and there are other people walking, but I know that like come 4 o'clock, the people start disappearing, it starts getting dark, it starts getting cold, and I start freaking out. So, dai, andiamo, let's keep going. It is so cold to take my gloves off to use the drone, but look at this behind me. I gotta get that. So, there's the drone. Okay, here's hit the sun. Let's go. This better be worth it. Don't be fooled by the blue sky. It's freezing.
Never imitated, never replicated, singularly wonderful. Everybody's underdog. Whoa. Underestimated, but I'm not complaining. Simply irresistible. Everybody's wonder girl. Whoa. How do you like me, love?
hours of light left. 7 hours of light. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? Ah! Oh, wow. I'm really alone. I'm really alone. But I'm not scared. Not yet. I don't know. There's like rain clouds over there, so I do not want to be caught in the rain, but I'm walking as fast as I can. You got to be careful too, because like it's like you could just drop all the way down there. Maybe a tiny bit lost, so taking a quick little break to look at the map. This is really steep and really windy, so I don't know if you can see. It's difficult to show you just how steep this is. Like one wrong move and I'm just like, I'm going all the way down there. I think I gotta do all that road there and up. Oh my gosh, so far to go. Completely exhausted. I've got this cramping that's happening in my toes. I don't know what it is, but they're really sore. I think I've got like 2, maybe 3 hours to go. But I just feel like collapsing. I'm just gonna sit down by this church and maybe try and take my boots off for 5 minutes, but oh gosh. Okay, shoes off. I'm trying to move my toes, but they're really cramping. I've still got the panino that I bought on the first day. At the moment, it just looks like the best thing in the world. Sorry, up there, I couldn't hear what you were saying. I'm so sorry.
Der Wind war so. Was heißt das? Komm hier.
What were you asking?
Can we go up with the dog?
Ah, okay.
Ja, es war hier.
How did you go? Was it difficult?
Oh, es war very difficult.
Yeah. Down? Yeah. Yeah, me too. Me too. Also because I have a lot of weight, so I feel a bit unstable. I don't know if you. Yeah. But how did the dog go?
It's very nervous.
Yeah. Yes.
Scream and no and stop and wait.
Yes.
Wait and stop. Yeah.
No, because it's dangerous. No, because if it's very slippery. You can fall. You're from Germany, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Australia.
Australian.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Australian Canada.
Oh, really? Cool.
It's
Can I
Canada.
film your dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ciao.
You make a holiday or?
Oh, ciao.
Warte mal.
No, it's I make a documentary about this experience in the Dolomites.
Ah, okay.
It's my so I have a drone. Did you hear it? A drone, you know?
Ah, yeah.
You know-
That we hear and
Yeah.
we look and ja, genau.
Kylie.
Sabrina.
Sabrina? Anya. And then I have to go up here, and then I sleep there.
It's
It's far?
it's far to walk. You won't walk with us and we drive you?
With the car? You have a car?
Yeah, we have a car.
No, but I don't want to bother you because you have your plan.
No,
No,
we walk from here.
40 minutes
For 40.
Yeah, but then you want to rest?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We drive 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So kind.
No problem.
So I met these two wonderful girls from Germany. Ciao. And they make me feel good because now I feel like I'm not the only one who is scared or the only one who is like dying and burning, like going up the hill. So, and they're a beautiful dog. Huh? Hello. We did all that, huh?
Sabrina is a nurse to an elderly man who has lost his mobility, while Anya is a baker. As I hiked with these two kind girls, they told me the romantic story of how they met and tried to teach me some German.
I have learned a new word from Sabrina. It's platt in German. And the dog is now showing us what this feels like. So this is their caravan. And they drove me here from Germany. But what is the town you're from in Germany?
Welsheim. Welsheim, yeah.
You have to come to Rome as well.
Yeah.
Rome,
You
huh?
come to us.
Can you drive this to Rome? 9-10 hours hiking today. But look at the view. Everything hurts. Everything hurts. Every morning I've been waking up and thinking like, no way. There's no way I can even make it down to breakfast, let alone do another like full day of hiking. View from the toilet is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this pain in my toes is really crazy. I messaged my mum last night because I finally had reception, and she said she gets the same thing. It's like the nerves in her, like it's the balls of your feet or something. So she told me to make these little pads, which are like out of tissue, and put them under the balls of my feet in my shoes. But it's not helping. It's so sore. I can barely walk. So right now I'm trying to walk only on the heel of my left foot, not ever making the balls of my feet touch the ground. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Oh my gosh. What a glorious day! Glorious!
We were on the road all night, trying to find our way back to the place we started. I was hanging on and broken hearted. Waiting on the light of day. Come on, waiting on the light of day.
Trying to get some feeling back in my toes. It's like this, it's like a nerve pain. Really hard to walk.
Do you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking this is a beautiful meadow with a creek. It's a gorgeous day. I'm not supposed to go off here according to like the plan the agency gave me, but who cares? Like I've been like under so much pressure. What I'd really like to do now is just lie down in this field and eat an apple and enjoy the beauty of this of nature of this place without also my foot is so hurting. So maybe it's a sign. Maybe I should just go off the path that I'm supposed to go and just enjoy this field. I don't know. What do you think? I feel like I haven't really had time just to like stop and be still and breathe. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
it. Back home to Rome. I feel like you guys have been with me on this adventure. The excitement you shared when I announced I had decided only a few days before to do this trek completely alone. Your comfort that night before when I was packing and stressed and nervous. The support and concern you messaged me the night I was upset after getting lost in the dark. The faith you had in my work, even before I'd edited a single episode, telling me you were excited about seeing the drone footage or hearing who I'd meet. I thought about you every time I felt my energy or my confidence diminishing. And then when I started editing these episodes and putting them online and decided to be quite vulnerable, you filled the comment section and my Instagram DM box with love and stories of your own fears and anxiety, treating me like a trusted friend. And so although I feel invigorated by nature and solitude, I am equally awed by technology and the connection it allows me to have with you. Because even though I have never met you in person, I have felt motivated by your belief in me and my work, as though you were with me every step of the way.